Hi there, it's me Danesh. Today our topic is what are the piping components and how it is functioning. Okay, let's go. Okay, in previous videos I hope you already see that what are the static equipments, what are the rotating equipments, right? Yes, these are the static equipments. This is a pump, is a rotating equipments. This will be transfer fluids, liquids from this tank to this vessel. So these are the piping components, piping and its components to carry these liquids. Okay, now we can go one by one. This is a flange. The purpose of the flange to connect and to disconnect with other equipments or instrument. So the flanges are different types based on the purpose, the pressure rating or temperature ratings. This will be raised face, flat face, tongue and grooves, ring type joints, and this also having different kind of pressure ratings, different sizes, and based on that the gasket will be different. Gasket means the components coming in between two flanges to prevent the leaking between two flanges. This is the purpose of gasket. This also different types, metallic gaskets and non-metallic gaskets. Okay, second is a strainer. The purpose of the strainer is to prevent solid materials to filter, to preventing to reach up to the impeller, because as you know, this impeller is rotating at the higher RPM. This have a chance to damage if any solid particles at presence. So this strainer will be do the maintenance periodically. We will be open this bottom and we will be clean this mesh. There is a mesh in between to filter these solid particles. This is a reducer, this is a pipe, this is a reducer. The purpose of the reducer, this is a eccentric type reducer. This one place is flat, other places is a taper. So the purpose of this reducer is, eccentric reducer is avoiding the cavitations of the pump suction. Usually for the centrifugal pumps, the suction is required for the eccentric reducers. Here the flange again. Okay, for here this again flange is a pipe. Here is a concentric reducers. Concentric reducers is also controlling the stability of the pumps. Okay, here you can see the check valve. The purpose of a check valve to prevent reverse flow. This allowing flow only one directions. That is the purpose of a check valve. Suppose the pump has been stopped, the flow will not be returned. It will be stopped here. There are many different type of check valves. It's a ball types and flapper types and dual plate types. These are different types of check valves. Next is flow orifice. Somewhere this is will be a flow transmitters. The purpose of this flow orifice is to measuring the quantity of the flow. There are different types, is magnetic types and differential pressure types. This is a differential pressure types flow orifice. There is a gate valve to shut and off, shut and open. The gate valve, the purpose of the gate valve, that is functioning only two way. First is on open position or in the closed positions. Here there is a bell dowlet. This is a 90-degree elbow here. This elbow for routing the pipes. This is the purpose of elbow. Here is a bell dowlet to take a branch, a small branch from the main header. Bell dowlet. There is a pipe. There is a flange. There is a valve. You know, this purpose of this valve is for just for closing this pipe, because sometimes this is a pressure gauge. Sometimes we need to do the maintenance for this pressure gauge, so we need to close this valve and we need to remove. So that's the purpose of this valve, for the maintenance of this pressure gauge. This is a pressure gauge or pressure transmitter. The purpose of this to identify, to control the pressure. Later here is a T equal T, and there is a control valve. This elbow going to this tank. The purpose of this bypass line, this is called bypass line. The purpose of this bypass line is sometimes we need to run this pump only for testing, not for the operation. Operation means it's going to the destinations, but for the testing or troubleshooting we need to run only this machine, no need to take this flow to this other equipments to the end. For this purpose we will be close this valve and we will be open this valve and we can be run, so this flow will be circulating in these directions. It will not go here because this valve is closed, this is open, and we can verify the pressure, temperature, whatever the parameters or troubleshooting, whatever it is, we can finish. Once it is getting ready, so everything normal, then we can take in operation position, is closed and open. And here there is a PSV called pressure safety valve, and the purpose of this PSV is to protect this line from the overpressurizing. For example, this pump is usually supposed to be work at 18 bar, but sometimes if it is increasing the pressure, if it is reaching 19 bar, there is a chance to damage this instrument or other items. So to protect it from that, this will be set as 18 bar. Once it is reaching more than 18 bar, this valve will be open and it will be flow. This flow maybe there is be routed to this tank to return. So this is the purpose of PSV, to protect the lines from the overpressure. Then here is a 45-degree elbows. These are 45-degree elbows, as the name indicates, to just only make the routing of the 45 degrees. Here is a valve for controlling the pressure, and this is a nozzles coming on the equipments. So this is the piping system typically, but piping is a very wide subject, very wide subject. For this is not able to explain all the things at these short videos. Okay guys, now we have discussed the important components of the piping and its functioning. If you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe right now, because your support is a great inspiration to me for making new videos. So please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day for you. Bye bye.